Are you tired of struggling to make money as an affiliate marketer? Do you feel overwhelmed by all the information and tools out there? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to overcome the biggest pains of starting an affiliate marketing business and start earning more commissions. Pain number 1. Finding the right products to promote. The first pain that many new affiliate marketers face is finding the right products to promote. With so many options out there, it can be hard to know which ones will actually convert and make you money. But there's a solution. Choose products that solve a specific problem for your target audience. Do some research, read reviews, and look for products with high ratings and positive feedback from customers. Pain number 2. Building a list of subscribers. Another pain that many affiliate marketers face is building a list of subscribers to promote their products to. But without a list, it's hard to build relationships with potential customers and make sales. The solution is to create a lead magnet or incentive that will entice people to join your list. This could be a free ebook, a video tutorial, a discount code, or anything else that your target audience would find valuable. Pain number 3. Driving traffic to your offers. The third pain that many affiliate marketers face is driving traffic to their offers. Without traffic, it's hard to get clicks and make sales. But there are many ways to generate traffic, such as social media, content marketing, email marketing, paid advertising, and more. The key is to find the methods that work best for your niche and target audience, and to focus on quality over quantity. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We're offering a free training that will teach you how to overcome the biggest pains of affiliate marketing and start earning commissions in just 24 hours, all while building your email list. In this training, you'll discover how to find the best products to promote that will actually make you money, how to create high-converting landing pages that will turn visitors into buyers, how to drive targeted traffic to your offers using proven strategies that actually work, and much more. We know that the biggest pains for affiliate marketers are not knowing where to start, not having a proven system to follow, and not being able to see results quickly. That's why our training is designed to solve these problems and get you on the fast track to success. And the best part? It's completely free. You won't have to spend a dime to get access to this valuable information. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or our bio to sign up for our free training and start making money as an affiliate marketer today.